Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with an update on our weather that we have on the way for this upcoming weekend as well as all of next week. And it does appear as if the chance for that scattered thunderstorm will continue. We've seen a break, even the return of some sunshine across parts of the ArkLaTex this afternoon. And it looks like there is a small chance we could see some redevelopment of isolated activity late this afternoon and this evening, but it should be just that, isolated. As we go through the weekend, the rain looking a bit scattered for tomorrow. Main thing we'll be watching this weekend is going to be a disturbance which develops out here in West Texas, or at least thunderstorms. This complex of storms will make its way towards the east. Again, there is a low end risk that any scattered thunderstorms that develop tomorrow could briefly become severe, but I think our main concern is going to be with that cluster of storms. As we go through Sunday, you can see it will be weakening as it moves into our area late Saturday night and Sunday morning, and it does appear as if Futurecast is correct that it could be strongest to the south of the ArkLaTex as it approaches. So let's take a look in more basically up close and personal here with Robin Stereo to Futurecast, and you can see mainly dry conditions during the night tonight under a mostly cloudy sky. We will see that possibility for the scattered thunderstorm tomorrow. Futurecast very limited on the coverage of any rain tomorrow, which could be a good thing. Other models do show again a little bit more coverage and new numbers of these scattered storms tomorrow. And you can see a little bit of an uptick during the evening, and then that main complex that I mentioned will approach the area late Saturday night. And notice that the darker reds here to the south of Interstate 20 likely will stay to the south of Interstate 20. So if we have any severe weather issues, if Futurecast is correct, it will be over the southern sections of the area. Other than that, the heaviest of the rain Sunday likely will be in the morning, and then we'll see drier conditions move in during the afternoon, and probably we'll see the dry conditions continue through Sunday night. Many models do indicate another chance for some rain Monday. If we have any rain Monday, more than likely it'll be over the northern half of the ArkLaTex during the day on Monday. As far as rainfall, we shouldn't have any issues with flooding. You can see the blend of models. This is a total from now through Monday, showing most of the area will see an inch or less. We could have a little bit heavier totals over the western half of the ArkLaTex, but just a little bit more than an inch. So these are general numbers of what you might expect to receive. However, with some of these scattered thunderstorms, it is possible that we could have a few isolated to scattered locations that get a bit more. Futurecast keeping those heavy areas very isolated. Other models do show that we could see these areas of yellow, which indicate more than 2 inches. Again, a little bit more numbers of those across the region during the weekend. So again, most of us half an inch to an inch, but don't be shocked if you get 1 to 2, maybe a little more than 2 as a possibility. A longer range, we are going to settle into dry weather for the middle of next week, but a pretty good cold front will bring a chance for some thunderstorms again. Wednesday night, Thursday, maybe Thursday night is when we could see our next round of thunderstorms as some cooler air tries to move in. Meantime, tonight, mostly cloudy. Rainfall chances looking very slim right now, as we'll see 66 in Shreveport, looking at 63 degrees in Texarkana, 63 also for the low temperature in Carthage. Tomorrow, I expect to see scattered storms, emphasis there on the scattered part of it. Some could be strong, but the severe weather risk is looking low. 54 or 84 degrees, I should say, for the high temperature in Shreveport, 81 in Texarkana, 85 in Natchitoches. You can see once we shut off the rain, we crank up the heat. Low 90s for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Again, looks like Thursday night, possibly into Friday. Cold front moving in will bring a chance for some thunderstorms. Those could be strong. And then notice what happens behind that front. We shift the wind around to the north. Cooler air moves in with highs in the upper 70s to low 80s. Lows next Saturday night in the upper 50s to lower 60s. Finally, temperatures more normal at night for this time of year, as it should be dry the way it looks right now next weekend. So continue with that chance for the scattered thunderstorms this weekend, with a few spots getting a decent amount of rain. The severe weather risk is looking low both tomorrow and Sunday, and then we finally dry out and heat up a bit as we go through the middle of next week.